Welcome to the presentation. We will now hover around the following: title and description, game objectives, parts required, character, game flow, animation, source codes, and final output.
Title, description, and game objectives. Hoping for a runner game with a twist. This one will be a perfect fit. Knight Chris. Castle dash in a game that caters an adventure of a knight. It is developed to have a character that will be moved in a game and move to avoid the obstacles. Those obstacles vary in terms of difficulty in order to make it more engaging and fun. Ultimately, as this is a 2D platform adventure game, that player's goal is to collect coin, avoid a turtle of enemy, and reach the castle finish line.
Parts required. This game is divided into three scenes, namely Start Menu, Levels, and Windscreen. The Start Menu is composed of Play button and Quit. Levels are composed of 3 levels, and Windscreen is composed of Victory, Restart Game button, and Quit button. Want to know more? Let's keep on going.
Character. The character, which is one of the most significant part of the game, is a knight. She is Amara, and she will dash her way back to the castle to complete the game. Start menu. The start menu is comprised of the game title and 2 buttons, which are play and quit. Play button will redirect the game to levels, and quit will let you exit the game. Code of play button. In order to make the game appear, scene management is added into the play menu code and load the scene named level. Play button build settings. The build settings is also organized in line with the code.
Quit button. The quit button is added for the player to exit the game. It also have a corresponding code which manage the behavior of the button. Quit code. The quit code controls what will happen into the button when it is clicked. Here is the Unity editor application playing its pulse scenes. The player exits play mode when he or she click the said button. Level 1 acts as a room, and it is composed of the following: the character, platforms, pillars, checkpoints, coins, obstacles, and an enemy demon. Character. Amara the Knight. Character is composed of 2 scripts, such as character control and character movement.
Character control is used for jump, sailing check, ground check, smooth movements, flipping the character, and character triggers. On the other hand, character movement controls movements just like the jump, boolean, parameter, character animation, and animator. Character animation sets the keyframe for the character sprites, while the animator organizes and enables us to add the parameters. Here, 4 different animations are present: either ramp, jump, and attack. Camera follow. Camera follow settles the behavior of the main camera. It is set in order to make it follow the character wherever it is in the game.
Character checkpoints. Checkpoints are composed of 2 sprites. Each represent a menu. Unlighted lamp means the character is not yet passing through it, and lighted lamp is shown when it detects the character. Checkpoint script. The checkpoint script is the key to make the lamp light. It has a condition that the second sprite will be shown when the checkpoint game object is reached. Fall detection. As this is a game with pillars and platforms, this script in the character control indicates that when a player falls, they immediately respond to the checkpoint that they passed.
Script for the gold coins. Since the collectible of this game is a gold coin, we indicated the star script to manage it behavior. When the characters collide with it, for this purpose, its trigger is added to the coin game object. Gold coins animation. While being used in the game, the gold coins game object is also moving, and this point, the sprite is organized in the animation. Score and score script. For this interface and design of the score, the font word of spell is important for the behavior script. It's added for the coin to be registered as a score when it is collected.
Portals. As this is a game that involves 3 levels or rooms, a portal is added in order to make the character smoothly move from one level to another.
Enemy Demon. Following the theme and backstory of the game. The first enemy in the game is a demon. He has 3 animations: Idle, Heart, and Death. These animations are all managed in the animate combat. The combat script determines the attack damage, attack range, attack rate, and attack point of the character in the enemy. It's also applied in the character game object. Enemy script. In connection with the animator, the enemy script defines the max health, current health, and movement of the enemy. These movements are centered when the enemy takes damage from the character or the enemy already died.
Level 2. Level 2 is indicate of different view, enemy, and platforms. Here is the player have to travel, jump, and dodge whatever comes its way.
Moving sword platform. As aforementioned, a new platform can be seen in this level. It is manually settled in animations and the character has to jump quickly in it to order to proceed.
Amber, the second enemy. In the backstory of the game, Amber is a traitor. At this point, the player have to outwit her, dodge her, and continue.
Level 3. Features how Amara the Knight comes back in the castle she served. Platform to platform, there will be also challenge along the way.
Metal spike conditions. Tag as obstacle. A conditional statement is also added to the character control for the character to respond in to the checkpoint. It also has trigger whenever they touched or collided with the spikes. Meanwhile, if all obstacles and enemies have been defeated and passed, the player can now successfully go in the castle and be redirected in the win screen.